Mayong adlaw sa tanan, welcome to Barangay Tagoranaw. So, this is our barangay hall. So now, let's see what inside our barangay hall. Let's go! So as you can see, may mga naglalaro. It's because we're celebrating our 63rd foundation anniversary. Now, let's move on to Tagoranaw Central Elementary School. So as you can see, ito po ang paralang elementarya ng Tagoranaw, kung saan una kaming natutong magbasa, magsulat, magbilang, at marami pang iba. So this school is one of our greatest memories here in Barangay Tagoranaw. And now we're here at Tagoranaw High School. Tara, let's explore! So, as you can see, maraming mga materials. It's because Tagoranaw High School is now building a senior high. Tara, at silipin natin. At ito po ang aming gym noon at hanggang ngayon. As you can see, merong bakanting lote. It's because dyan po ipapatayo ang senior high building. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Let's explore Barangay Tagoranaw.